Break ID number 5893. 2019 Prizm Draft Picks. Collegiate Football. 1-box break. This break is random first letter of last name. Same breakdown. Any base cards that we pull that are not in those letters will be randomized to everybody. Randomize each side 3 times. Go. And there you go. I like the value of BGS better. Drive? Why would you drive 4 hours? It's $30 here. You get it done through us. And it's 5-day service. Brian Burns. B-V-Y-E. Well then, put it down and go bowling. The Duck. The Duck. Zach Gentry. G. John CM. The next one of these just sold out, and I just put another one up. Noah Fant to 75. That's Ella's brother. Maybe. It could be right. That's to F. Brett W.O. That sounds like fun, Paul. Sam Darnold's second year. Insert. And Tyre Brady. B-V-Y-E. Oh, look, it's Ella's brother again. Last pack. Big, look who it is. It's Ella. Or Big Al. Whatever you want. Something wrong with that. Gardner Minshew II. Parallel auto to 99. 9 at-bats and no hits, 7 strikeouts. That's fantastic, Paul. This is M. Brett W.O. All right.